Everyone, Angie here for SLT Petitions and TDiSEntertainment here, and of course SLT Petitions Gaming here. The question about the Camry is worse. About the V6 dump, this is so wrong. You want to see that petition? Just go to change.org now and sign today and get the Camry back as V6. But I'm going to show you the Camry details, all about how I started my petition in November 2023. Here's what it is. On November 14, 2023, Toyota made the Camry all hybrid because you know what it is when you heard that guy's mention.
Hello everyone, I'm excited to give you an in-depth look at the next generation 2025 Toyota Camry. The Camry nameplate has a long, proud heritage as the #1 best-selling midsize sedan in America for the last 21 years in a row. The latest generation continues to build on its winning heritage with increased performance and efficiency, a new dose of style inside and out, and new technology for both safety and convenience to keep Camry the car so many households trust year after year. Now, let's discover what makes this generation the very best one yet. The new Camry will be offered in 4 grades: LE, XLE, and the sport-focused SE and XSE. And in every grade, performance is a focal point. Every Camry will now be 100% hybrid.
That's right, people. Toyota Camry is all hybrid, but that's all wrong. So I have a petition that I started on change.org since November 14th of 2023 to make sure that the V6 gets put back in Camry for the 9th generation. It has to be a gas V6, not a hybrid V6. The gas V6 can return. It has to come with a dual exhaust and, of course, everything else in it. Because the V6 dump is all wrong. The reason I came out with change.org petition on the Camry V6 because I started the petition to put the V6 back in the 9th generation and restore the gas models and the all hybrid transition by reversing it. So you want to do that? Just go to change.org now and sign today to get the V6 back in Camry. I have the link below. The car is built in Kentucky, where Camry is also built along with RAV4, Avalon, Sienna, Benza, and every other foreign vehicle that was built in Kentucky. But the Camry is still popular in America today as America's best-selling car. So that's why this car is built in Kentucky. They shouldn't build all hybrid vehicles, but they should only build hybrid options and gasoline options. You want to do that? Just go to change.org now and sign today. I'll show you what I mean when I show you how the petition got start. Well, we had 3 signatures, and then today we have 448 as of 2025. According to this change.org petition as of January 2025, since November 14, 2023, the Camry petition has 438 signatures, and Jerry Gonzalez was our latest signature. And of course, the Camry is America's best-selling car. And according to this on CarBuzz, let me show you what I mean. Quick, and we're in carbuzz.com. Of course, the V6 has been killed by Toyota. So that's why change.org is the only place to go to reverse the V6 killing. And of course, the all-hybrid transition. Restore all the gasoline models to the Camry lineup. That's what you need to do at change.org. Start showing Camry V6 now. If you want to go online, just go to change.org now and sign today and follow along with these hashtags. Restore the gasoline Camry and bring back the V6 Camry. You know those tunes before that I showed you before on my last Camry video. David Price and Kim Hunter made the Camry all hybrid because they dumped the V6 along with its gas models. So I had brought up the change.org petition that I want to show you. It had 448 signatures, and as of 2025, since this year, the Camry change.org petition has been a lot of success. We're trying everything we can to get the V6 back in Camry, but we're going to need you to do it quickly before the 2026 Camry comes out as a gas model and, of course, a hybrid option. Okay, everyone, Angie Huynh had something to say. The V6 dump is wrong for the Camry, and of course, It's not right to have a B6 dump from a car that's known as America's best-selling car, and that's all wrong. And of course, if you want to see my change.org petition, just go to change.org now and sign today about the Camry V6 dump and help us reverse the V6 dump and restore the gasoline Camry and bring back the V6 Camry for 2026 model year. It's our only way to restore the gasoline Camrys for 2026. It's on the link on top below or the link below. But the top has the image and the link is right there. So anyway, I'll see you next time for another LEGO DC Supervillains walkthrough. We're gonna do a congratulations for Soft Touches Gaming. See you then, everyone.